Hi, I want to show you how to get started with Brisa Interactive Videos. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new video to advertise a new product. I'll just call it baking. And I'm going to use the new product video template, but you can hover over other ones to watch what they look like and select the one you like. And next I'll hit customize your video. But before I start customizing it, let me go ahead and create a second one really quick called Baking Ingredients. And I'm doing this because I want to link to it from the first video, so I just want to get it done now. And the first thing we can do is click to change images in the scene. And since we haven't added any products, we have to do that, and I'll click Home Bake Kit. And now I've got a bunch of images from the product that I can click on to use. And I'll click the cupcakes image to start. And for the first caption, I'll paste in "here's what's in the package." And I don't need these other captions right now, so I'll just click the delete icon and then select yes. Do it again. And you can see the video in the preview window, and you can, as you switch to a new scene, you'll notice it shows up on the left hand side. So let's go ahead and change this second scene, and I'll choose this photo with a bunch of ingredients. And for the headline, I'll put in the text "what's inside." And then for the content, I'll paste in a few ingredients. Now you can customize the look and feel of each element of the scene. So first I'm going to change the border because it doesn't actually look right now. And for the headline, I'll change the font to Poppins and maybe add a little bit more blur. Okay, for the last scene, let's go ahead and just add some text really quickly. Get it now. Limited time only. And we can see exactly what it looks like by just clicking the play button. Let's go ahead and save this video. And now let's go back to our main video. That'll be the headline content for the product. So again, I'm going to change the background and add another product to this video, which is the Home Bake Kit. And I'll select the pancakes. And for the headline, I'll put ready to start, and for the subheading, put baking at home. And again, I'll just scroll to the next scene and choose another image. Let's go with the cupcakes. And for the first caption, I'll put "let's get cooking." And for the second headline or caption, I'll paste in with our new at-home baking set, so you can see exactly what happens. And in the last scene, let's go ahead and change the main image. Let's use the donut again, and for the text we'll put "click here to see what's inside." So this scene we want to be interactive, so if they click on it, it takes a new action, and we'll click this icon here. And for the action, we'll put switch to another video, and we'll switch to the baking ingredients video. So I'll click update, and then I'll click save. Now what we want to do is embed the video within another page. So I click the get embed this video. There are some embed options. Autoplay isn't working yet, it just autoplays automatically. Loop doesn't work, but it'll be easy to add, and responsive just switches between a fully responsive embed code versus just a static width. So we've got the responsive code here. Now let's go to our product listing, and I'll just put a new line after our existing text, and then I'll click Show HTML and paste in the embed code. Now let's go ahead and save it and switch to our product page. So let's refresh and see what it looks like now. Okay, we can see our video. It's auto-playing. It's immediately beautiful and engaging, and it gives the shopper some information about what's inside or what the product is. And in this last scene it says click here and see what's inside, so when we click it, you can see it automatically switches to the other video and gives additional details about what the product contains. So that's pretty much it for using the app. Again, it's very customizable. You can change any colors or styles, and you can also get a list of the scenes so you can rearrange them or add a new scene from a list that we have. And anytime you do it, just click save and it'll immediately update on your product page. Thanks for watching.